Here at the rockfish capital of the world in Weldon, North Carolina. Right here at the Weldon boat access. There's an abundance of shad fishermen all lined up down there.
Me, mostly, if I'm gonna do something, most time I just go live on the street. It's a lot easier to me than having to edit a video.
Turn them up, buddy. All right, we lost 4. We finally got a nice shad here at Weldon, Roanoke River. We're gonna keep this guy for bait this time. I need some for catfish. Oh, okay. I've never been here. It's a nice park y'all got. Here at the rockfish capital of the world in Weldon, North Carolina. We got a nice shad here. Right. We hooked 5 or 6, but we only got 1, but that's all right. We didn't get stung.